And we're back at you with part 2 of our front porch rebuild. As you can see, we have completely demoed. We've poured our 12-inch base on top of our 3-foot thick footings, and now we are laying our block. We start with our corners first. We run in between. We're going to build this entirely out of block. We're going to fill every block completely solid with concrete. We start with our first course that is going to be 5¼ inches in height above that sidewalk. We check plumb level and square. We check box square, measuring diagonally across, make sure all of our numbers are the same. We then measure back 11½ inches. It's time to build course number 2 or step number 2. This step is going to be 7¾ inches above the first step, as will be the next step and the next step. So once the limestone's on the bottom step, that will also be 7¾ in rise. So every single step will be 7¾ inches in rise once this porch is fully erect. We go back and do our final step. We lay our final block, and then it's time to parge coat. We parge coat the entirety of it, then we scratch. We're back to do our stone and our limestone next.